Yes.
Okay, what did you do?
Learn.
All right. All right. So what do you want to learn today? We will gonna learn science, right? Am I right?
I want to learn about ants.
Okay.
Ants is science.
It's all about plants. Am I right?
Like animal species.
Like animal species. Okay. What they have given to me is all about plants. Like part of the plants.
Roots, seedlings.
Yes. Okay. Oh, you know that already, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So let's just...
Nutrients,
Mm-hmm.
soil, water,
Okay. Uh-huh.
air, and
Uh-huh.
light.
Very good. Okay. Before we go to the animal species, let's talk about plants. All right. Where can you see plants?
Everywhere.
Everywhere,
Almost.
exactly. Okay. All right. Okay. So, all right. So this is like an ebook. All right. So do you have a garden?
Yes.
Uh-huh. What can you see, or what usually are the things in your garden?
So many
Okay. Do you have like flowering plants, small trees?
small tree. I have
Mm-hmm.
small tree.
Mm-hmm.
And one big tree.
And one big tree. Okay, so I guess that is a fruit-bearing tree. Am I right? Do they bear fruits or
They have
what?
roots.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what tree is that? What kind of tree is that?
Normal.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let us just tackle what are this about. Alright, so this is Monty, and Monty loves gardening. So Monty's grandpa taught him lots about plants and how to take care of them. So if you know this one, I guess you have mentioned that you have your own garden at home, right? So how do you take care of the plants?
Feed
Mhm.
water,
Okay.
good air, and sunlight and
Mm-hmm.
soil.
Wow, very good. Okay, so there are types of plants. There are so many different types of plants. So if you look carefully, you might spot some that you have heard of here in Monty's garden. Okay, so this is Monty's garden. So there are trees, like fruit-bearing trees, herbs. What are herbs, by the way? Herbs are... Thailand has a lot of herbs. Herbs.
But I just learned how what does tree like tree needs like what do they have or what do we have to take care of them? That's all.
Okay. All right. So as I've said, there are different types of plants, like trees, fruit-bearing trees, all right, and herbs, flowering plants, shrubs, ferns, of course, grass, and bushes. All right. So what do you think is a plant? A plant, okay, is a living thing, right? Plants are living things. All right, exactly. So they need water and air to live. So they also need enough space to grow, right? Okay, so plants can make their own food using the sunlight. All right? Yes. And even water, they also need water, air, and sunlight. Okay, so there are parts of a plant. So plants can all look very different. there are varieties of plants. So, and then, but they have lots in
flowers,
common.
stem, leaves, and roots.
Yes, but they have lots in common. Most plants have flowers, of course, stems, leaves, and roots. Alright, so roots. What are roots? How do you say roots in Thai?
I don't know.
Uh-huh. Okay. So roots is something like this, right? Actually, this is.
Yes.
All right. So roots grow down into the soil. They are strong and help to keep the plant in place. All right. So these roots are quite small, but some roots can spread out for miles. Yep.
Like trees.
Yes.
Trees have so big roots.
Yes. Okay. So roots spreads out for miles underneath the soil. Okay. Next one is roots act a bit like straws by sucking up water and food from the soil. And then the food is so tiny that we cannot see it. And this food helps the plant to grow. All right. Next one is stems. How do you say stems in Thai? Stems are like this one.
Yeah,
Okay.
like stems are like the things that
Yes, very good.
connect to leaves and flowers and roots.
Exactly. Okay. Stems hold plants up. All right. Stems have small tubes inside them which carry water and food up from the roots, okay, to the rest of the plant. All right. And then in trees, the stem is known as the trunk. Trunks are made of wood and covered with bark. Bark is something like the rough one, the outer skin of the tree. Okay. Next one. The biggest trees in the world can grow to the size of a skyscraper. All right. Next part, leaves. Okay.
Giant spider. I don't like that.
Yeah, something like that. All right, so leaves use sunlight, water, and air to make food for the plant. Okay, and then another is the flowers. The flower on a plant usually have petals. All right, many flowers make a sweet liquid called nectar. Do you know what nectar is?
What?
Nectar. Yep. Most flowers make a sweet liquid called nectar and a yellow dust called pollen. Okay. And all right, so there are facts here. So insects such as bees love to drink the nectar of the flower. Okay. Strong smells and brightly colored petals help insects to find the flowers. And then insects spread pollen between different flowers because it sticks to their bodies. Okay. And then last one is plants use pollen from other flowers to make seeds. All right. So let's go to the fruit. All right. So all fruits come from plant. Fruit contains the seed of the plant. All right. So there are details in here. So some fruits grow in vines like grapes. Okay. Some fruits grow on trees like orange. And some fruits grow on bushes like blackberries. Have you seen blackberries?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I never eat it.
Do you have blackberries trees in Thailand? Or bushes? Do you have something like that? I think no.
No.
Okay.
I only have chilies.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I only have
There is a question here. What is your favorite fruit?
grapes.
Okay. Why do you like grapes?
So
How?
many types of color. Green, purple, and black.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Black like quite mushy and crunchy. Like red,
yes.
quite.
Yeah.
But
All right.
But green is like so like.
Okay. Then,
Like.
okay. Let's go to the seeds. So most new plants grow from seeds. You know that, right? Many seeds grow by themselves when they fall from flowers and trees. Sometimes human plant seeds in their garden, homes, public places, and on farm. So there is another fact in here. Some seeds grow inside the flower of a plant. And then some seeds grow inside a fruit, like apples, tomatoes. Am I right? Okay. And then last thing is, some seeds grow inside cones, such as pine cones. Do you know what is
Apple.
pine
Yes.
cones? Do you know that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
No, okay. I will show you what is
But
pine.
but
Uh-huh.
but I know it.
Okay.
But I know it.
What is the color of a pine cone?
Brown.
Okay, brown. All right, something like this one. Actually, this is, right?
So many different pine cones.
Yes, there are varieties of pine cones. Yeah.
I only see like the curved one. The curved.
Oh, okay. All
So
right.
long.
Where have you
So
seen a pine cone?
I saw from my book of science.
Oh,
From
okay.
from school. I
Uh-huh.
want to see those all kind of.
All right. So I have a question here.
Different pine
Do
cones.
you, yes, do you have something like a pine tree in Thailand?
No.
No. All right. Actually, you are correct that there are varieties of pine cones. So there are big, there are long, there are, yes, there are small, and something like this. All right. So there are,
But I like the number 9.
number
Why
9.
is so spiky?
Yes,
Spiky.
it is
But
spiky.
easy to break.
Mm-hmm.
Quite
Okay.
easy. Okay.
What we have here in the Philippines is the number 19. This one. Yes. Okay. And then, let's continue. Okay. All right. So, I have a question here. Do you know how to plant a seed? Or have you ever tried to plant a seed?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What do you do? Or how do you do it?
Get a cup.
Uh-huh.
Put
Yes.
all the soil I have.
Okay.
And put the seeds, then water it.
Okay.
Then just put it outside or just inside.
Okay.
And let the sunlight get it shine up. Then
All right.
plant grows.
Wow. What tree was that?
A small tree.
Uh-huh. Was your tree grown up already?
No, it died.
Oh, what happened?
Like I just but
Mhm.
like I feed it too much water.
Oh, okay. All right. So there are steps on how to plant a seeds here. So make sure you have a pot that is big enough for the plant you want to grow. Some plants need lots of space. All right. Consider the space. First one, fill the pot with soil. And then put the seed into the soil, water the seed, and then leave the pot on a place with the right amount of sunlight and air. And lastly, water your plant regularly and watch it grow. Okay. As simple as that. Maybe you can do it
Spring,
again.
summer, autumn, winter, with and but where fall. Fall.
Mm-hmm. All right. Do you know that
I-
there are?
Then seasons. I
Mhm.
know. Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Okay. All right.
What?
So there are,
Why is it autumn?
autumn is the season when the leaves on some plants change color and drop off. It usually happen in Canada. Do you want to experience it? Then go to Canada. Okay.
I
All
will
right.
go to China. But I will go to Japan and Korea.
Mm-hmm. I think in
So
Japan also. I don't think so.
woodland?
I
What
don't,
is woodland?
again?
Woodland over here.
Mm-hmm.
Woodland.
Woodland. All right. I think you don't
I
have a
don't even
woodland
know.
here. Woodland is the place where a lot of woods being there or planted in there. Do you have something like that in Thailand?
Think no.
No. Okay, but before we answer such several questions, all right. So there are four main seasons, right? First one is spring. Do you know that there are plants that is suitable for each season? Like for example, in spring, plants do different things depending on where they live or the weather and the season. Okay, so during spring season, lots of flowers bloom in spring. When was the time you've been in Japan? When was that? There are times in Japan or there are seasons in Japan that there are sakura, what do you call this one? Have you ever tried to go there? There are sakura trees.
Yes, I see.
Yes.
Like pink trees. So
Yep.
weird.
What are the colors of the flowers?
Pink
Mm-hmm. Pink. All
or
right. Okay.
or like orange. Dark
All right.
orange.
Yes. And also summer. During summer, I have a question for you. During summer in Thailand, what are the plants usually grows there?
Lots of like new plants. Like I just don't really like to grow plants.
Mhm.
I am not good at growing plants.
I think what I have seen before during summer is a mango like the small mango. What do you call this one? Maprang.
My my neighborhood has like thousands of mangoes.
Wow.
Like 1,000.
They,
It
do,
even came through my house.
wow.
Like-
Do they have a farm?
Like here is the fence, right?
Mm-hmm.
Plants grow more like
Yes.
here, like through here.
You can get their
and I was
mangoes.
like, why they just have so much
Mhm.
plants? Plants even grow in my
Oh.
like there will be a road here.
Uh-huh.
Plants like infinite.
Okay. So have you ever tried to get some mangoes from your neighborhood?
My dad has got some
Uh-huh.
good. Still like it.
Oh.
And I see those plants like
Mhm.
when you touch. Oh, now I know.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Montes plant.
Mm-hmm.
Like touch it, glows.
Mm-hmm. All right. Okay. The next one is All right, so I think we should leave this autumn and winter because autumn and winter is not the season in Thailand, right? Only summer, rainy, and what else? Winter. Oh, you have the winter season. Am I right? Some plants called evergreen stays green all year round. What are the fruits being being grown during winter in Thailand? Your winter season is, I think, December, January, and February, right?
I want to go to the toilet.
Uh-huh.
Go to the toilet.
Okay, go. Take your time. Seasons.
I am back.
Okay. So I am searching what are the fruits or plants being available every season in Thailand.
So much.
Yes.
So much I don't even know. Some like snake fruit. I want to eat a snake fruit.
Here.
It is a snake. What is that? Thai fruit name, fruit type, and like this one. And
Again?
winter fruits in Thailand?
Yes. Ah, okay. So these are these right? These are the fruit season in Thailand.
I've ever eat like two, like that, the red one.
Mm-hmm.
That's just what I eat.
Rambutan. That is called rambutan. Yeah, this one. And then mangoes. So there are green and yellow. And then of course mangosteen.
Oh, I only eat yellow.
Mm-hmm. What about durian?
So, just a little. But my mom eats a lot durian.
Wow.
Like she likes 6.
Okay, I haven't tried it before. How does it taste, may I ask?
So many more pages.
Yes. What does a durian taste? All right, so where do plants live? All right, so plants can be found in many places all over the world. For example, a desert. So what do you think are the plants being grown in a desert?
Dry.
Okay, yeah.
But at night it's so cold.
Uh-huh.
Night. But at the morning so hot. It is definitely sunset right now.
Wait, I have a question here. So it says here that plants live in a city. right? So what do you think are the plants being grown in a city?
Like there'll be just so much.
Not
You
so
would
much.
just plant, but not a lot.
Uh-huh.
Like people
Okay.
like quality a lot.
Mm-hmm. Just like the small, okay, trees and plants, right? And then woodland. Of course, when we say woodland, these are the place where we can plant woods. I mean, plants that serve as our wood. Okay, something like this. It's just like the forest.
Huh?
It's full
A
lots
forest?
of, yeah. And then, of course,
My house kind of looks like a forest a little.
mm-hmm.
Like there's just so many plants.
Okay. So something like this one.
If you go to the dark side,
Mm-hmm.
the plant side.
Mm-hmm. What about in the water? What are the
Water
suitable plants for water?
like seaweed. Seaweed is the
Okay. Yes.
best.
Seaweeds.
These are
Uh,
not in water.
all right. Let's go to this one. Rainforest. Okay. So rainforests are very warm and wet. Plants love this type of habitat and some rainforest plants grow to be enormous. Okay. What about in the cold places? Some plants can live in very cold places. They grow low to the ground to avoid the icy wind. All right. So these are the plants that can be found in the cold places. Lots of the plants grow in clumps to keep themselves warm. All right.
What? And what is the like that like please go back to that place. I don't know what it is.
What is that?
Kind of clumps.
Clumps. Okay. How do you say it? Wait. Clumps or something like uh-huh. Something like this one. These are clumps.
Like a group of plants?
Clump. Clump.
Clump. Like
Okay. And then they gonna cluster together. This one. These are clumps. Wait. Then they gonna spread together. I don't know how to say it in Thai. Clumps are there are many. There are lots of meanings of this word. They can be chunk, they can be group, and then they're gonna, what do you call this? Spread. This one.
okay.
Okay. Next one. Deserts. All right, so we all know that deserts are very dry and humid. Only certain types of plants can grow there as there are very little rain. This means that there is not much water for them. Okay, so first one is a cactus. A cactus can store enough water to last for a long time. Some cactuses can live for up to 2 years without having a drink. Can you imagine that? That a cactus can live, yeah?
Like 10 years and 1 month, I guess.
Uh-huh.
10 years, 1 month. Like that will be so much. If a cactus can live that much, I'll like freak out already.
Yeah. All right. What about in the water? Plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. Some live underneath the water and some float on top. All right, so these are the plants that float on top. Okay, lily pads float on top of the water so that they can collect sunlight. All right, so what do you think? What are plants used for? A lot of the food we eat, like fruits and vegetables, come from plants. So that's cocoa in chocolate and flour in bread. Okay. So different foods come from different parts of plants. All right. So these are the root plants such as potato, carrots, radish. Another one, these are the seed plants or foods like corn, and then fruits like apple, orange, what else? Berries, and of course nuts like peanut. What else?
Peanut.
Do you eat peanut?
I don't really like, but my teacher likes peanut.
Mm-hmm. Next
Like,
one.
peanut is good.
All right. And then another one. These are the plants that has flowers like broccoli. And then, what do you call this white one? Broccoli and cauliflower. Okay. And then stems like asparagus. What else? Asparagus, celery. Another, leaves. Leaves are for, what do you call this one? Pechay. Do you know pechay? Or
No.
lettuce?
Oh, I eat.
Mm-hmm.
And like I like lettuce so much.
Okay.
But I have to put it into like a hot soup.
All right.
And
Something like in mukata or in shabu-shabu.
yes, shabu shabu. I eat shabu shabu.
I like it so much. That is what I miss in Thailand. Okay. And then some plants are dangerous to eat. Never eat a plant unless your grown-up says it's safe. Okay. What are the dangerous plants to eat? Can you name some?
I don't know yet.
Okay. What are the dangerous plants to eat?
Oh, so much.
What are these?
Dirty, toxic.
There are 30 toxic plants that look like food. So what are these one? Okay.
I wanna like write.
Dead camas. Wisteria.
This looks so good. Like this.
Hemlock.
Samuel and cherry. Awesome world. That's so weird. That looks like a rotten.
Yes. This looks like a mushroom, right? But this cannot be eaten. This is called as death cap. And then another mushroom-like false morels. Oh my gosh.
Wild cherry. Stolen eyes.
Alright. There are several cherry-type fruits, which are wild cherry and Jerusalem cherry. Okay.
And those.
And also pokeberries. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I know these things. You know, we have some pokeberry trees outside. What I know is it can be eaten, but okay. Good thing we have tackled this lesson.
Deadly.
Yes, it's deadly.
Night sage, mistletoe, Holy?
Yes, bitter almond, cotton
Beer?
easter, Virginia creeper. Another one is yew, and then rosary pea. Okay, we have something like this one in the Philippines. Okay, American
Yeah.
bittersweet. Oh, I thought it is a blackberry. It looks like a blackberry, but it is deadly nightshade.
So you have to be careful.
Yes,
Like
actually,
what you choose. Like some plants may be dangerous, I guess.
yes, exactly. All right. So, what are plants used for? It is also used for wood and paper. Trees give us food for building all sorts of things, including houses. Paper is also made from trees. All right. And then another one is plants like cotton are used to make clothes, like to make cotton clothes. All right. Another one here, another question. Why are plants important for the planet? Without plants, no other life on Earth could ever survive. As well as giving us food, they also give us some of the air we breathe. I have a question here for you, just in case you have encountered this before. Imagine there is one tree standing beside you. How many people? How many people that could survive in one tree? What do you think? How many
Four?
people?
Four?
Four? I think so. But just to make sure, how many people that, okay. Yes. So there
I got
are,
it correct.
I think I have mentioned you that before.
Yes, I got it.
Yes. Okay.
If
So what are plants used for? Okay. So plants are useful because it gives us oxygen, right? It gives us food. They give us air that we breathe. Alright, so what is this? So humans and animals need oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is found in the air. When we breathe in, we use the oxygen for our bodies, but we breathe out the parts of the air that we don't need. Okay. So when we inhale, we use the oxygen for our bodies. But when we exhale, we breathe out the parts of the air that we do not need. Okay. The leaves of a plant then use sunshine and the air that we breathe out to make food for the plant. And last thing is, when plants make their food, they also make oxygen. The oxygen then goes into the air. It is where we're gonna get the oxygen. Okay, so how do we look after plants? Alright, so here are some things that you can do to protect them. Alright, do not waste paper. It says here, do not waste paper. The more paper we use, the more trees need to be chopped down to make it. The more paper to be used, the more trees need to be chopped. Okay. Let wildflowers and weeds grow